Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been a while since I've posted a video on here, but I'm super excited to share this one with you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use a 6-ton hydraulic press with an impression die. For those of you that aren't familiar with impression dies, they're basically just a steel mold or a steel form that you press a piece of silver into, and it essentially gives you this awesome 3D design. So in this video, I'm going to go over the basic steps that you can take in order to get a nice crisp impression in your silver. So let's get right into it. If you're looking to up your jewelry game, then impression dies are the way to go. There are just so many ways you can incorporate these 3D designs into your jewelry. You can simply use just the impression to create a necklace such as this, or you can incorporate a stone of any choice to make a pair of earrings or ear jackets. Or you could easily add the impression around a stone as well and make a ring such as this. Your options are pretty much endless when it comes to working with impression dies. As you can see here, I've built up quite the collection of impression dies over the years, and these are just a few of my favorites. So today I'm going to be working with the horseshoe impression. Alrighty, so here is what you will need. First off, you will need your die, some urethane, painter's tape, a piece of silver sheet, and of course you will need your 6-ton hydraulic press. So I'm going to be working with sterling silver sheet in 26 gauge, and I'm going to cut a piece just a bit larger than the impression. Now first I want to heat my metal, and what I like to do is just scribble some Sharpie on it. When the Sharpie disappears during the heating process, that's when you know your piece is fully annealed. Now I'm going to take my piece of silver and I'm going to tape it down using my painter's tape. This is very important to do because you don't want your silver shifting around during the pressing process. I'm then going to place a piece of urethane on top, and I'm essentially creating a sandwich with the urethane and the impression die being the buns and the silver being the meat. The urethane is going to squish down into the piece of silver and allow the silver to take on the shape of the impression. Now before I begin pressing, I first want to make sure that the nozzle is turned all the way to the right. I want my impression die to be directly under the arbor so I can try to get a nice even press the first time. And now using the handle, I'm going to slowly pump it and lower the arbor into the impression. Now it can be a little bit difficult towards the end as you build up resistance, so you might need to use a little bit of muscle. I'm now going to turn the nozzle and release the pressure so the arbor can raise up, and I'm going to pull my die out and inspect my impression. Now as you can see there are a few spots where the silver wasn't fully pressed down, so I'm just going to place my urethane on top of that specific section and place that section under the arbor. I'm now just going to repeat this step a few times and make sure that I have a nice crisp impression all the way around. Alrighty, Now, as you can see, it looks pretty good. Everything looks to be evenly pressed and it's nice and crisp. Now your last step is just to saw out your impression. I'm going to be using an 8/0 nano saw blade from Pepe Tools to do this. And we're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions, just feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, and I'll see you at the next video.